I know it probably seems impossible for some of you that for some of your kids who came to us as just babies leaving kindergarten are now leaving and heading to the big world of middle school. This group of students has been truly amazing. And for those of you that have been in the building and perhaps volunteered, you've been able to see the true meaning of giving back. These children have learned this year, and they have given back to our school community in so many ways. And so this is one of the ways that we'd like to honor them by celebrating them. So many times throughout the year, you can see our 6th graders reading and mentoring and doing vocabulary with our 1st graders and 2nd graders. It's been a wonderful experience, and we truly, truly will miss them as part of our Harrison Hill community. So at this time also, I'd like to recognize all of our 6th grade teachers and our staff. Can we give them a round of applause? To put together this celebration, and at this time I'd like to turn it over to Mr. Smeltzer.